Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem, compete the skills. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. So basically we have two friends A and B with the skill set like A1, A2, A3. Okay. Similarly B has skill set B1, B2 and B3. Now we need to compete their skill set, the ith skill set of them, and we need to do so and check three conditions. So the first condition is if the ith skill of A, that means this, is greater than the ith skill of B, then you need to increase the score of A by 1. Second is if the ith skill of B is greater than the ith skill of A, then you need to increase the score of B by 1. Okay. Now the third is if both ith skills are same, that means A's ith skill is equal to the ith skill of B, then nothing happens. Okay, so we need to check these three conditions and do the solution accordingly. So I hope the question is clear to you, and now let's move forward to the next part. So basically you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem, compete the skills. Okay, once you find it, you need to open it. Okay, let's start. Let's read the question first. 1 minute. A and B are good friends and programmers. They are always in a healthy competition with each other. They decide to judge the best among them by competing. They do so by comparing their three skills as per their values. Please help them doing so as they are busy. So this is the skill set. Okay, let's move forward. 1 minute. Okay, compare the ith skill of A with the ith skill of B. If the A's value is greater, then increase the score of A. If the B's value is increase, if B's value is more, then increase the score of B by 1. If both are equal, nothing happens. Okay, and we would do this using if-else conditions. Now we would start the code from here. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. So now let's start the coding. Now see carefully. This over here is for A, the score of A. Okay, and this CC1 is the score of B. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So now let's start. 1 minute. So first is we would calculate the length. 1 minute. Length, that would be len A. Okay. Next step is that we would start a for loop. Okay. I in range, it would go from the 0th value to the length. Okay. 0, length. Okay. 1 minute. Then next is you need to check all the three conditions. That is, if the ith value of A is greater than the ith value of B, then the score of A would increase by 1, right? So let me write that. Now let's check for the next condition, that is if the ith value of B, let's do like this. Ith value of B is greater than the ith value of A, then it would be CC of 1 equal to CC of 1 plus 1. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. And next would be the last condition. Okay, last is else, nothing happens, so you can just write continue. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. And finally we would return with the value of CC0 and CC1. CC0 and CC1. Okay, now let's check if this is correct or not by clicking on compile and run. Let's wait. So the compilation is done. There is an error. Let's check it out. There is an error that length is not defined. Over here, I just forgot to remove this. Now let me click on compile and run. Problem solved successfully, and this is how you solve. Was helpful for you. If this was helpful, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.